Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest buzz in the electric vehicle world. If you love staying updated on EV news and stock market analysis, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below on what you think of this huge development. The race to dominate the EV market is on, and it's more thrilling than ever before. It's getting more intense than a Formula E Grand Prix, with companies pushing the limits of technology and innovation. In this corner we've got Elon Musk, the self-proclaimed techno-king of Tesla, with his sleek, futuristic cars that have set the standard for luxury EVs. In the other corner we have BYD, the Chinese automotive giant that's been quietly making waves with its affordable and innovative EVs, challenging the status quo. Now these two companies are like the Ali and Fraser of the electric car world, constantly battling it out for global supremacy, each with their unique strengths. Tesla has been the early bird, establishing itself as the cool kid on the block with its cutting-edge technology, luxury appeal, and a vision for a sustainable future. But BYD is hot on its tail, rapidly expanding its reach with a focus on affordability, practicality, and making electric vehicles accessible to the masses. This ain't just about bragging rights, people. It's about who will lead the charge in the next era of transportation. This is about the future of transportation, cleaner air, and which company will be at the forefront of a greener tomorrow, setting the pace for the industry. So, buckle up because things are about to get interesting. The electric car race is heating up, and the stakes have never been higher. Now, in the world of business, sometimes one door closes and another one swings wide open. It's a dynamic landscape where opportunities can shift in the blink of an eye. That's exactly what happened with BYD and its ambitions in South Asia. The electric vehicle giant had its eyes set on expanding its footprint in this rapidly growing market. India, with its massive population and growing middle class, seemed like the perfect place for BYD to expand. The bustling streets and vibrant markets painted a picture of endless potential. But hold up! India, with its protectionist policies, decided to play hardball. The government wasn't ready to make it easy for foreign companies to dominate their market. They wanted BYD to set up shop in a joint venture with an Indian company. This was a strategic move to ensure local participation and control. BYD wasn't feeling that vibe and decided to take their electric dreams elsewhere. They were looking for a more straightforward path to market entry. Enter Pakistan, India's neighbor, and let's be honest, sometimes rival. The geopolitical dynamics added an interesting twist to the business narrative. They saw an opportunity and jumped on it like a lion on a gazelle. Pakistan was eager to attract foreign investment and boost its own economic prospects. Pakistan rolled out the red carpet for BYD, offering them a sweet deal to start assembling EVs right there in the heart of South Asia. The incentives were too good to pass up. Talk about a plot twist. This unexpected turn of events reshaped the competitive landscape in the region, highlighting how quickly fortunes can change in the world of business. Now, you might be wondering, who's going to help BYD navigate the Pakistani market? Well, they've teamed up with a local heavyweight Hub Power, one of Pakistan's largest independent power producers. These guys know how to get things done. Hub Power is like the electricity guru of Pakistan, and they're bringing their A-game to this partnership. They're not just providing the juice to power these EVs, they're also bringing their expertise in infrastructure and logistics to the table. Together, BYD and Hub Power are planning to set up a state-of-the-art assembly plant in Pakistan. They're aiming to have it up and running by 2025, which, in the world of manufacturing, is like lightning speed. Get ready, Pakistan, because the electric revolution is coming to town. Okay, let's talk numbers, folks, because that's where things get really interesting. BYD and Hub Power aren't messing around. They're planning to assemble a whopping 100,000 EVs in Pakistan every year. That's right, 100,000. These cars won't just be for the Pakistani market, though. Oh no, they've got bigger plans. Pakistan, strategically located at the crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East, is the perfect launch pad for exports. BYD is eyeing markets like Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and even countries in Africa. They're aiming to make Pakistan their electric vehicle hub for these emerging markets. Talk about ambition. BYD's global electric avenue, from buses to batteries. Now BYD isn't just a one-trick pony. They're not just making cars, they're making moves all over the electric vehicle landscape. We're talking electric buses, trucks, even forklifts. These guys are electrifying everything that moves. But wait, there's more. BYD is also a major player in the battery game. They produce some of the most advanced and affordable batteries in the world, which are used not only in their own vehicles but also sold to other car manufacturers. So, while Tesla might be the flashier brand, BYD is quietly building an electric empire. They're playing the long game, and they're winning hearts and minds with their practical, affordable EVs and their commitment to sustainable transportation. Tesla versus BYD, a tale of two continents. This is a story of innovation, competition, and the future of transportation. Now let's get back to the heavyweight bout, Tesla versus BYD. These two giants are not just competing, they are shaping the future of electric vehicles. It's the battle of the titans, the clash of the electric car giants. Both companies are pushing the boundaries of technology and design. Tesla, with its sleek Model 3s and Model Ys, has been dominating the US and European markets. Their cars are known for their cutting-edge technology and impressive performance. BYD, on the other hand, has been cleaning up in China, the world's largest car market. Their strategy focuses on affordability and practicality, making electric cars accessible to a broader audience. They've also been making inroads into Southeast Asia and Latin America with their affordable and practical EVs. These regions are becoming crucial battlegrounds for market dominance. So, who's going to win the battle for South Asia? This region is emerging as a key market with immense potential for growth. It's still too early to say. The competition is fierce, and both companies have their unique strengths. Tesla has the brand recognition and the cool factor, but BYD has the affordability and the local production advantage. Each has its own strategy to capture the market. This is one fight that's going to go down to the wire. The future of electric vehicles is being written right now, and it's an exciting time to watch. Charging up Pakistan's economy. Can EVs drive growth? Now let's talk about the bigger picture for a second. Pakistan's decision to embrace BYD's investment isn't just about getting more electric cars on the road. It's about boosting the economy, creating jobs, and positioning Pakistan as a leader in the green technology revolution. The EV industry is expected to explode in the coming years, and Pakistan wants a piece of that pie. By becoming a hub for EV assembly and export, Pakistan could attract foreign investment, create thousands of jobs, and reduce its dependence on imported fossil fuels. Of course, there are challenges ahead. Pakistan needs to invest in charging infrastructure, train its workforce, and create a supportive policy environment for EVs to thrive. But the potential rewards are huge. The road ahead, challenges and opportunities. Look, let's be real, folks. The road to an electric future is not always smooth. There are going to be bumps, potholes, and maybe even the occasional detour. Pakistan's EV journey is no different. One of the biggest challenges is going to be building the necessary infrastructure. You can't have electric cars without charging stations, and Pakistan needs a lot of them. The government and private sector are going to have to work together to make this happen. Another challenge is going to be convincing people to make the switch to electric. This means addressing concerns about range anxiety, affordability, and the availability of spare parts. Pakistan, the green gateway to emerging markets. But amidst these challenges, there are also incredible opportunities. Pakistan, with its strategic location and young, growing population, has the potential to become a major player in the global EV market. Think about it. Pakistan could become the green gateway to emerging markets in South Asia, Central Asia, and Africa. They could export EVs, batteries, and even charging technology to these regions. This is a chance for Pakistan to not only boost its own economy, but to also become a leader in the fight against climate change. By embracing electric mobility, Pakistan can reduce its carbon footprint and set an example for other developing countries to follow. The future is electric. Will Pakistan be plugged in? So there you have it, folks. BYD's entry into Pakistan is a game changer. It's a sign that the electric revolution is spreading to all corners of the globe. The question is, will Pakistan be able to seize this opportunity and become a leader in the EV revolution? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the future is electric, and Pakistan has a chance to be at the forefront of this exciting new era. So buckle up, Pakistan, because the ride is about to get electrifying.